Hello there. So recently I was looking up information on the government website and it consists of what happens in certain months. And May happens to be Mental Health Month. So there was a link provided that was mentalhealthamerica.net. And it's a really good website. It provides beneficial information explaining more about what happens in May. Now, Mental Health Month started way back in 1949 and it encouraged to help people really understand what problems or what issues are involved when it comes to mental health. Now, many people misconstrued the concept of what mental health was and assumed that it was bad, but it was more encouraged to promote mental health in a good way. Now, Mental Health America, that was founded way long ago when a man had first set up, uh, and he had horrible experiences himself when he was put in an institution. He was abused there, and so that's why he set up that website later on. Now, as I looked at that website, I found it really intriguing as to what different posters were there. There was one that had said, "Do more for 1 in 4." And now what that means is that for the 25%, people in the US do have that condition of dealing with mental health. Now they can get diagnosed and find help where it's necessary. It's possible for them to improve, and that website really explains that. Now, that 25%, what is involved in that 25%? People deal with ADD, ADHD, anxiety, whether they get nervous or have conditions of worrying, tending to feel that way. Now, there's also bipolar disorder. There's having it signed this way or this way, how a person deals with their mood swings, and also depression when a person doesn't feel their best. Now, if that's a problem, there's no reason for you to feel ashamed. If you have a problem, it's best to go seek help, and that's possible for a person. Now, if a family or a friend is impacted by that problem, you try to figure out what to do, you can go seek help. And that's what's encouraged, and that's what should be a positive and beneficial route. Now, the comment relating to potential means that you will succeed when you have the courage to improve on your life, whether you are flexible or whenever there's a problem that arises, you are able to cope with it in the best way possible. And that could mean whether it's stress or depression, or if it's related to someone who does childcare or they're really stressed and burnt out from taking care of kids. Other family members, when they have someone who is sent out to military, what will they do and how will they deal with that when it comes to mental health?